friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the iiyama ProLite XUB2796QSU 27-inch WQHD LCD monitor. So friends, the 27-inch WQHD ProLite XUB2796SU features an iiyama IPS panel. It is approximately 15 mm thinner than the regular model due to its ultra slim design, which eliminates the protrusion on the rear of standard liquid crystal display. And additionally, it features a 130 mm height adjustment, a -3 to 18 degree tilt adjustment, and specialized stand with 90-degree pivot, allowing you to fine tune to screen and easily visible position. And the primary specification including a viewing angle of 89 degree vertically and horizontally, a response time of 1 millisecond, brightness of 250 cadmium per meter square, contrast ratio of 1000 gem standard, 16.77 million colors on display, and refresh rate of 75 Hz. And additionally, the eye care feature, it includes a blue light reducer that dims the source of blue light, and flicker free LED backlight technology that eliminates screen flicker, and DisplayPort into 1, HDMI into 1, 3.5 mm stereo mini jack into 1, USB 2.0 Type-A into 2, USB 2.0 USB Type-B into 1, and built-in stereo speaker with 2 watt into 2 output. And the VESA mounted features 100 into 100 mm pitch, external dimensions of 611.5 mm into 256 mm into 414.5 to 544.5 mm, weight of 5.4 kg. And the product is covered by 3-year warranty and priced at $309 USD. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.